Now, let me take you to very beautiful principle, treating your business like raising a child. Let me talk to you at length about this principle. See, we women, when we conceive, if it is a planned conception, we are super excited about it. The entire 9 months, no doubt, however nausea we go through, however mood swings, kitna bhi mood swings we have, pukish we feel, whatever, uh, pains in your leg, uneasiness towards the last third trimester, but there is always an excitement about a new person coming to our life, a child who's going to be born. We are always excited to see that child. And during those entire 9 months, we happily suffer. We happily enjoy that pain, right? Once the child is born, we are still super excited. We are excited. We look forward to hold that child in our arms. We keep gazing. We keep looking at that child. We know there are n number of difficulties lying ahead. The child's ka teething problem will happen. Then the crawling starts. Then walking, running, then food tantrums, then getting ready to the school. The whole journey, we know that once we have stepped into motherhood, there will be challenges at every step. But then too, we love the child from all our heart. We raise that child, we nurture that child. We know challenges हैं, हमको खुद को pain होता है, we suffer, but then too we raise happier kids. We feel fulfilled when we raise our child. And this is the same thing I want you to do with this business. This is the same approach I want you to have when it comes to digital entrepreneurship, this business that you're building from your home. I know initial few months, the pregnancy phase is this phase when you're learning. When there is higher dose of just learning, you're learning each course. And this is that preparatory phase, the pregnancy phase, when you're completing one course after the other, when you're building your systems. This is that phase. होएगा nausea, uneasiness होगा, headache होगा, pukish होगा, खाना नहीं भाएगा. Longer stress पे जब बैठ के आप one video after the other कर रहे हो, back pain भी हो सकता है. But a child is yet to be born, right? Go through that grill. Go through that entire exercise. And the way a child is born, that resonates to the way we launch our business. Think of that day when you announce those balloons fly high with your pregnancy photo shoot, holding a placard saying it's a boy or it's a girl. And with full excitement, we'll put it across our Instagram handles, on our WhatsApp statuses. Our family members put that forward and reshare to the world across, oh, we are grandparents. Bring the same excitement when you launch your business, when you launch your website, when you launch on the Instagram your new bio. I am so and so coach. Bring the same level of excitement in that phase as well. Now, a child is born. Once the child is born, teething and all happens. But we prepare, we grow with the child. First-time moms always grow with the first child. It is the second child when we think, oh, hum to trained hai because of the first child, right? Similarly, when you're starting your business, treat yourself as that first-time mom. You are learning on the go. Funnel, landing pages, ads, video making, content creation, community building, course creation, कुछ नहीं आएगा. बट मम्मी बने थे तब भी कहाँ आता था नैपी कैसे पहनाना है, मसाज कैसे करना है, ब्रेस्ट फीड कैसे करना है. We never knew all that when we became the first time moms. But हमने सीखा on the go. Same is with this course. Same is with this digital entrepreneurship. learn on the go. Always have an open attitude of continuously learning. And बच्चा घिरेगा भी चलते चलते, टीदिंग में भी प्रॉब्लम आएगा. वैसे ही यू विल हैव वेबिनार शेड्यूल्ड, बहुत कम शो अप रेट होगा, कन्वर्जन्स नहीं होंगे, कोर्स रिकॉर्डिंग में यू विल हैव प्रॉब्लम्स, community building में you will have problems, but we are preparing ourselves for that. So by this entire example of raising a child, of we getting into our motherhood journey, all I want to say you is treat this business with the same love and affection, with the same warmth, with the same patience. Tell me something. When a child doesn't eat after the teething and all, we remain patient, right? आता है गुस्सा, नहीं खा रहा, इतनी देर से मैं बैठी हूँ, half an hour हो गया, 45 minutes हो गया, he is not finishing the food. But क्या हम उसको भूखा छोड़ते हैं? क्या हम उसको छोड़ देते हैं? 2 दिन 3 दिन तू मत खा, नहीं. हम उसने अभी नहीं खाया, we take the child back and we feed him after some time again. That is the same. आज webinar successful नहीं हुआ, no problem. Do it again. Keep doing, keep doing. लेडी फिंगर पसंद आ जाती ना बच्चों को 2-3 बारी ट्राई कराने के बाद, वैसे ही वेबिनार भी चल पड़ेगा. So this is from a mother to another mother. Build your business and treat it with the same love and affection as you would do it to your child. And in the process, let's grow as we grew once when we became the first time moms. And the other thing, the things that we bought for our baby, the diapers, the almond oil, entire wardrobe, the nappies, the bathrobes, the mittens, the cuffs, the rompers, what not. Did we ever consider that as an expense? Every 15 days, a new diaper is coming. I mean, a big bag of diaper is coming, right? Did we ever treat that as an expense or as a headache? कि यार कितना खर्चा हो रहा है अब. That was an investment we were doing for our child. Same should be our approach when we are raising this child, the digital entrepreneurship. These are the investments that you'll be doing in your ads, in your system setting, in your website creation, in your course creation, in your photo shoot. So we open for these investments, right? And as parents, did we ever cut corners? Did we ever think कि नहीं, let me not get by this for our child? We always did the best, whatever was possible. At times, many of us went beyond what the possibility, even if that hurted your pockets. That's what we parents are. So similarly, do the same for your business as well. Do not cut corners. Do not bring out a low quality stuff in the market. Remember, we discussed a world-class product we are creating, right? So have the same emotion when you're creating, you're nurturing this business.